Okay, this is a failed turbo turbocharger for a BMW Mini, that kind of engine. But anyway, when you have a problem with the car, it's when you didn't take care of it. You have to change the oil on time and do the jobs on time, because look at this one now, it's leaking all oil out. Look at that, and look at the return pipe from the turbo. Now that is a mess up, and this is a quite expensive turbo as well. And yeah, keep an eye on your turbos. You see, it's dry this time, this side, but when you put oil in and you start the engine, all the oil goes in the DPF and the exhaust, and it comes out from the back, because look at that failure. So yeah, keep maintaining your car properly, please. Every 12 months, or let's say 8,000 miles